Hey guys! Our dish for today is adobong atay ng manok. So here are the ingredients for our adobong atay ng manok. So we have here chicken liver, we have oyster sauce, soy sauce, we have cooking oil, we have black pepper, we have minced and sliced garlic, we have sliced onion, and for a little bit of manghang, so we have siling haba. And first, magsaute tayo ng ating, so yung ating cooking oil, konting at least 1/4 cup of cooking oil. Then, isahin natin yung ating onion and garlic. Right? So, pwede na natin i-add yung ating chicken liver. At isaute din natin siya. So, yung ating liver, yung chicken liver natin, so masyado siyang fragile. So, dapat dahan-dahan lang yung paghalukay niya para hindi siya madurog. Pwede na natin ilagay yung ating black pepper. Pwede na natin ilagay yung ating yung siling haba para magmanot na yung lasa niya, and then yung ating soy sauce. So yan lang natin siya until yung chicken liver natin maluto. So, simmer natin for about 5 to 10 minutes. Right? So, lastly, pwede na natin ilagay yung ating oyster sauce. Pwede na natin siyang serve. So, luto na ang ating adobong atay ng manok. Try guys!